Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Fabulous. One of the biggest questions in healthcare today is, will AI replace medical coding jobs in 2026? The future of medical coding is not AI versus humans. Instead, it is AI working alongside medical coders to improve productivity and accuracy. In this video, we will explore the real impact of AI on medical coding careers, future job opportunities, salary trends, and the skills you need to stay ahead in the evolving healthcare industry. So, watch until the end and discover how you can future proof your medical coding career and succeed in the AI era. Let's get started. AI-powered technologies to improve efficiency and reduce costs. AI is helping healthcare professionals process information faster, improve accuracy, and reduce administrative workloads. Today, millions of insurance claims are processed using AI-assisted systems that can identify errors, suggest corrections, and speed up reimbursement processes. These advancements are creating faster workflows, better patient outcomes, higher accuracy, and lower operational cost. AI is no longer just a future concept, it is becoming an essential part of modern healthcare. However, while AI is incredibly powerful, it is important to understand that technology alone cannot replace human expertise. This brings us to the big question, if AI is becoming so advanced, what does it mean medical coding jobs in future? Now let's talk about what AI can actually do in medical coding. Artificial intelligence has become a powerful tool that helps medical coders work faster and more efficiently. One of its biggest strengths is the ability to analyze large amount of clinical information within seconds. AI can review physician notes, patient records, discharge summaries, and other clinical documentations to identify important medical information. Based on this analysis, it can suggest appropriate ICD-10, CPT, and HIPICS codes, helping coders save valuable time during the coding process. Another major advantage is speed. AI can automate repetitive tasks that traditionally required significant manual effort. This allows healthcare organizations to process records more quickly while improving workflow efficiency. However, it's important to remember that AI is an assistant, not a replacement. While it can suggest codes and improve efficiency, the final coding decision still requires the knowledge, experience, and critical thinking skills of trained medical coders. In simple terms, AI makes medical coding smarter, faster, and more accurate, but human expertise remains essential. Let's talk about what AI cannot do. Although artificial intelligence is becoming more advanced every year, it still has several limitations when it comes to medical coding. One of the biggest challenges is handling complex medical cases. Many patient records contain unique situations, multiple conditions, incomplete documentation, and unusual clinical circumstances that require careful analysis and professional judgment. AI can process information quickly, but it does not truly understand a patient condition the way an experienced medical coder does. It cannot apply clinical reasoning, intuition, or critical thinking when faced with difficult coding decisions. Another important limitation is human judgment. Medical coding is not simply assigning codes. Coders must interpret documentations, evaluate complaints requirements, and ensure that coding accurately reflects the patient's medical condition and treatment. These responsibilities require experience and expertise that AI cannot fully replicate. Compliance is another area where human involvement remains essential. Healthcare regulation, payer requirements, and coding guidelines change frequently. AI may not always understand the context behind these changes. or how they should be applied in specific situations. This is why healthcare organizations continue to rely on skilled medical coders to review, validate, and finalize coding decisions. AI can assist with efficiency and productivity, but human expertise remains irreplaceable. In short, AI is a powerful tool, but the knowledge, judgment, and expertise of medical coders are still the foundation of accurate and complete healthcare coding. Now let's discuss which medical coding tasks are most likely to be affected by AI. The reality is that AI is very good at handling repetitive and rule-based work. Tasks such as routine coding, simple code lookups, basic claim processing, and data entry can often be automated with high accuracy and speed. Healthcare organizations will continue to need professionals who can apply critical thinking, understand clinical context, and make accurate decisions when situations are not straightforward. So, rather than replacing medical coders, AI is changing the nature of the job. The most successful coders will be those who embrace technology, develop advanced skills, and positions themselves as expertise in areas where human judgment is essential. The message is simple. Let AI handle the routine task while you focus on the work that truly adds value. Now let's look at the good news. Medical coding careers that are likely to grow in the future. Many people focus only on jobs that AI might automate, but they often overlook the exciting opportunities that are emerging as healthcare continues to evolve. One of the most promising role is the coding auditor. Auditors play a critical role in ensuring coding accuracy, compliance, and quality. As healthcare regulations become more complex, organizations will continue to need experienced professionals who can review and validate coding decisions. Another growing career is the clinical documentation improvement or CDI specialist. These professionals who closely with healthcare provider to improve documentation quality, ensuring that patient records accurately reflect the care delivered. Risk adjustment coders are also becoming increasingly valuable. They help healthcare organizations accurately capture patient risk factor which directly impacts reimbursement, quality reporting and healthcare outcomes. In addition, the demand for healthcare data analysts is growing rapidly as healthcare generates more data than ever before. Organizations need professionals who can turn that information into the meaningful insight that improve patient care and business performance. So, if you are planning a long term career in medical coding, focus on developing advanced skill, earning certifications, learning AI assisted tools, and expand your knowledge beyond basic coding. The future of medical coding is bright for professionals who are willing to learn, adapt, and grow. The goal isn't just to keep with change, it's to lead it. Many people assume that as AI becomes more advanced, medical coding jobs will disappear. However, most industry expertise predict a very different future. The first prediction is that AI will increasingly assist coders rather than replace them. AI tools will help with code suggestions, documentation review, data analysis, and the automation of repetitive tasks. This will allow coders to work more efficiently and focus on higher value responsibilities. The second prediction is that human oversight will remain essential. Healthcare is highly regulated industry where accuracy, compliance and patient safety are critical. Complex coding scenarios, clinical interpretation, auditing and decision making will continue to require human expertise and professional judgment. The third prediction is that demand of skilled medical coders will continue. Organizations will increasingly look for professionals who understand both medical coding and AI assisted technologies. Coders who develop advanced skills and stay current with industry changes will remain valuable assets to healthcare organizations. In other words, the future is not about human competing against AI. It's about human and AI working together to create better outcomes, greater efficiency, and improved healthcare service. As we move toward 2030, the most successful medical coders will be those who embrace technology, continue learning, and adapt to new opportunities. AI may change the rule we use, but skilled medical coders will continue to shape the future of healthcare. The message is clear. Don't fear AI, learn it, use it, and grow with it. Let's talk about one of the most important topics for every professional, salary and career growth. Many people worry that AI will reduce opportunities for medical coders. However, current industry trends suggest that skilled and certified coders will continue to be in demand for years to come. The message is simple. Don't compete with AI. Learn how to use it efficiently. By combining medical coding expertise with technology skills, you can increase your value and create more opportunities for yourself. If you are looking to maximize your earning potential, focus on earning certifications such as CPC, CCS, or CRC. Stay updated with industry changes and continue learning new tools and technologies. The healthcare industry is evolving and those who adapt will be rewarded. Looking ahead to 2030, the professionals who invest in their skills today will be the one leading the industry tomorrow. So keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your future. Because in the world of medical coding, skilled professionals don't just find jobs, they build successful and rewarding careers. So, how can you stay future proof in the age of AI? The answer is simple, keep learning and keep growing. The first step is to learn AI tools and automation platforms that are becoming common in healthcare organization. Understanding how these tools work will help you improve productivity, accuracy, and efficiency in your daily works. The second step is to earn professional certifications such as CPC, CCS, or CRC. These credentials demonstrate your expertise, increasing your credibility, and often open doors to better job opportunities and high salaries. Another important area to focus on is auditing and compliance. As healthcare regulations become more complex, professionals with strong auditing skills will continue to be highly valued by employers. Remember, AI may change how work is done, but it cannot replace expertise, professionalism, and commitment to quality. Your knowledge, expertise, and willingness to grow are what will set you apart. So invest in yourself, build your skills, and prepare for the future today. Because the best way to predict your future is to create it. Keep learning, keep improving, keep moving forward. Your skills are your greatest superpower. Now let's address one of the biggest myths about AI and medical coding. Many people believe that AI will completely replace medical coders in the near future. This idea has created a lot of fear and uncertainty among professionals who are considering a career in medical coding or are already working in the field. But the reality is much different. AI is certainly becoming more powerful and capable of handling routine tasks. It can review documentation, suggest codes, identify patterns, and automate repetitive process much faster than humans. These capabilities help improve productivity and reduce administrative workload. However, AI doesn't replace the professional itself. Medical coding is about much more than assigning codes. It requires clinical understanding, critical thinking, complaints knowledge, auditing expertise, and the ability to interpret complex medical documentation. These are areas where human judgment remains essential. Healthcare regulations change consistently. Documentation can be incomplete or unclear. Complex cases often require professional interpretation and decision making that AI cannot reliably perform on its own. This is why healthcare organizations continue to rely on skilled medical coders to review, validate, and ensure the accuracy of coding decisions. The truth is that AI replaces some tasks, not the profession. The future belongs to medical coders who learn how to work alongside AI, use technology effectively, and continue developing their expertise. Those professionals will be more valuable than ever in the years ahead. So don't focus on the myth that AI will replace all coders. Focus on the opportunity to become a highly skilled professional who can combine human expertise with powerful AI tools. Because at the end of the day, AI is a tool, but human expertise is the real advantage. As we come to the end of this video, let's answer the big question once and for all. Will AI replace medical coding jobs? Based on everything we have discussed, the answer is no. AI is not replacing medical coders, it is changing how medical coding is performed. AI can automate repetitive tasks, review documentation faster, suggest codes, and improve efficiency. These advancements help healthcare organizations save time and improve productivity. However, AI still depends on human professionals to ensure accuracy, compliance, quality, and proper clinical interpretation. Medical coding is more than just assigning codes. It requires judgment, experience, problem solving, and an understanding of complex healthcare regulations. These are the areas where skilled medical coders continue to provide tremendous value. The real opportunity is not to compete against AI, but to learn how to work with it. Medical coders who embrace new technologies and certifications, strengthen auditing skills, and stay updated with industry changes will be the strongest position for future success. The healthcare industry will continue to evolve, and so will the role of medical coders. Those who remain adaptable, committed to learning, and open to innovation will continue to find rewarding career opportunities. So instead of asking, will I replace me? Ask yourself, how can I use AI to become even better at what I do? That's the mindset that will help you thrive in the years ahead. Remember, the future of medical coding is not AI versus humans, it is AI with humans. And the future belongs to skilled, adaptable, and grow minded medical coders. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success in your medical coding journey. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to hit the like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe to the channel for more medical coding videos. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building a successful future in medical coding. See you in the next video. Have a happy day.